Alright guys, it is December and it's a rainy day. It's in the high 40s. No need for a fire today in here or in the little big house, and it's a depressing day. You know? I'm glad though that we're not getting the snow. I don't like snow, so that's fine with me, although there were many weekend celebrations going on to start the holiday season this weekend, and I think they're pretty much getting rained out. Yep. Alright, I got computer work to do, and well, guys, we're out for a little drive here, have a few errands to do, and I don't know, I thought maybe just getting out about would help lift the mood, but it's not, it's just it's freaking depressing out. There's no getting around it, it's just that time of year, man, is what it is. And I understand that it needs to happen, as it does. Doesn't mean I have to enjoy it. I'm trying to find the beauty in it all, like out there in the tree with the corn. Where there's no corn right now, but what usually is a cornfield. The darkest hours, folks, we're heading into them. We're not there yet, but we are heading into them. This month, about 20 days, will be at our darkest day. But the good thing about that is, after that, it starts to get light again. We head the other direction. It's an ongoing process. Yep. Sometimes you're where you want to be, and other times you're like, I can't wait till this passes. That's how I'm feeling right now. I can't wait till it passes. Although I don't want to wish any of my life away, because I'm realizing that it is speeding right by very quickly. I am at not a young man anymore. I'm not even a middle-aged man. I'm on the other side, Yikes. But there is not much I can do about it except enjoy the ride the best I can and try to hang out for a while, Here's the scene on this Saturday afternoon, early afternoon. Cloudy, gray, fairly warm for this time of year for sure, and wet, very wet. You know what? I'm grateful for today. Why? Because I'm alive, and there's no snow, and it's not cold. I like that. I'm looking at green right now, folks. Green. I like these colors, man. I mean, I'm sorry, guys. I get going on about winter and how much I just don't want to have it. And, it is what it is. And, I'm just not a big winter guy. I do think it's beautiful and it does have amazing moments, but it's just too hardcore for me. I like to be in a pair of shorts and sandals or jeans, and just a little overcoat. Not where you're gonna die if you get overexposed, Yeah, cold, I don't like it when you have to have gloves on, otherwise your hands are freezing. You gotta have a hat. I don't mind the hat. I always wear a hat, but just having to bundle up to the extremes that we do around here I don't like it. Well, I'm a warm weather guy. I'm a summer fall guy. I'd say spring too, but it pretty much sucks around here. I guess part of it's alright. I'm a 3-season guy, alright? 3 seasons. Let's get rid of winter. Fall will be good. Tell you what, that water is high. It's getting pretty windy out there. I like that color lighting there. I haven't used this much. Just the last couple days I've been using it here. How you doing, Tin? Alright, buddy. Yep. The birds are still busy at the feeder. Wow, I just filled that up yesterday. In fact, I filled it up at the end of the day yesterday, and it's more than half gone. And at $50 a bag, I hope these guys just don't go through it in the next month that quickly. They usually last me several months, a 50-pound bag does, you know? Although these guys have a voracious appetite right now, I'll tell you what. It's probably only going to get more intense. Alright guys, once again it is raining pretty hard out there. We are at the end of the day here. It's probably about 4:15. It just started really coming down out there. I think we've had more rain. We definitely have had more rain this fall than we got during the summer, for sure. And probably some of the harder rains here in the last couple days, you know. The river's as high as it's been since probably last year. Yeah, I'm chopping up some asparagus here. I got the broccoli in here. Some water over here for the rice. And we are going to be having pork chops with rice, broccoli, asparagus. Yeah, that's going to be good. It is warm out though, I'll tell you that. For this time of year, wow. Look how fast those clouds are moving, and this thing is not on speed it up either. Wow. That's pretty darn fast. Watching Isabel Page. She's really good. Alright, this looks like there's some interesting color out here. I don't know. Wanted to catch the end of the day here. There you go. A little daylight as the day ends. A little blue sky. Oh yeah. Glad I popped out to see the positiveness here. Look at that. That's all blue sky. It's warm out, guys. It's really pretty warm. I would say it is just about 50. Crazy. I guess tomorrow it drops back down into the high 30s. The wind was really going a little bit ago, huh? I was kind of worried about my fence at one point. I saw the I saw it knock over the shovel here, which is no big deal, but I happened to open up the door at that particular moment. Yeah. Guess when the weather's like this, this time of year, you don't worry about the bugs. That's nice. You can just leave your door wide open if it's warm enough, because nothing's flying in. Ah, life, huh? It's quite a trip. It's a little loud in here with the fan on. I've got that fan going on right there. It's just really warm in here, man. There's the rice, no big deal. I'm a minute rice man, Alright guys, check that out though, huh? Nice. Broccoli, asparagus, and pork chops. We're going to be digging into that in a few moments here. It feels like spring, guys. Seriously, I feel like opening up this door. I think I will. There's the moon. Well, it doesn't quite feel like spring. Well, it does feel like a early spring night. Yep. This feels like about the end of March right now. Early April. Won't be long. That's what I'm talking about. I like being that close to the outdoors. It's a difference than this is a whole lot different than being in a house, a regular house.